Wide angle is yung slim and elegant design. Actually, this is the slimmest phone of Oppo available in the market. So, mas madali siya to bring with you, madaling ibulsa, handy siya, hindi masyado, that doesn't consume much space. So yun yung isa sa mga features ng Oppo F3 na talagang very much appealing to me now.
Now, when it comes to the unknown qualities of the Oppo F3, ano ba yung masashare natin, yung mga secret features?
Features, I guess na-mention siya kanina yung the bokeh effect.
The bokeh effect, yes.
Oo. Ano ba yung bokeh effect?
Yung parang nagmumukhang professional photo yung professional photographer yung nag-take.
Ano siya, it focuses the subject.
Yes, nag-blur yung and also the double exposure.
Oh, makakang expert.
Ay, makikita po nila mamaya yung feature na double exposure ng Oppo F3 is when you take one photo and you change into another angle, pero ang finished product nun is one photo lang. Ang galing eh, parang it's the first time that I've seen such technology pagdating sa capturing photos in a phone.
Kumbaga parang pwede mo sabihin eh, professional ka.
Oh, hindi na kailangan i-edit eh. 2 clicks
diretso na.
Diretso na.
Ayan, or maraming salamat.